How are you? Good to see you again. I think it's been a
Thank
long
you.
time we've met.
Yes, yes, yes. It has been around 3 or 4 months. Yes,
Oh, okay. Long time. So yeah, that's great.
yes.
How have you been? What is up?
I, yeah, I have been really doing good. Thank you for asking. Yes.
Okay.
Nowadays I am free. Yes.
Mhm.
Just
Okay.
practice. I get enough time to practice. Yes. What about you? How are you?
Even I'm good. It's a little hot over here. That's the only
Yes, yes.
problem. Yeah.
Yes. That. Yeah. Here it is safe. Like I think we have today. It was around 40 degrees Celsius temperature. Yes.
Oh, heat waves.
Mm. Yes. It was hot and humid.
Mhm. Okay, so tell me, what would you like to do today? Should we talk on the session's topic or should we talk on random things? What do you prefer?
Anything, anything, whatever. Because I didn't go through session documents, so whatever you like to ask, just ask. No problem.
Okay, I think the topic is doctor's dilemma. So they have given certain situations. If you want, we can talk.
Dilemma,
Yeah,
dilemma. Yes, yes, dilemma. So which
yeah.
kind of dilemma are you talking about?
Like in general, they have given few
General.
scenarios. Like you are a
Okay.
surgeon and something happens. So how will you deal with it? Or we can talk on
Mm.
random things if you are fine with that. What do you prefer?
Yes, yes. I think random talk would be fine for me. And meanwhile, we also talk about, we will also consider dilemma, any kind of dilemma, not doctor,
Yeah.
but any kind of dilemma we would talk because doctor is I think like it is specific. But why
Hmm.
we be specific with dilemma? There are so many situations we have to face in our life. So we have to go through such kind of situation. So instead of just dilemma, we will talk more about different kind of situation and dilemma and how we could tackle with that situation. So it would be better, I would say.
Okay. Yeah, that works. Since we are talking about dilemma, I'll just ask you a few questions related to that, if that is fine with
No
you.
problem. Yes,
Okay.
yes, no problem.
So, mm, okay. So you have to go to a marriage, like you have to visit, attend a marriage, and at the same time, you are getting a very amazing deal, and you can go for a very nice vacation. So that is kind
Mm.
of a dilemma, right? What will you do in that situation?
I got a deal. What kind of deal? Means business deal. It is
Uh,
business deal or like
you got a good deal, like it can be anything. Let's say you got a very
mhm,
good offer, so you can
mhm,
just go for traveling or
mhm.
somewhere. So what will you
Yes, yes.
choose? Oh, what
I
will you
would
do at
prefer
that
to go for a trip. Yes, I would
time?
definitely choose to go for a trip because I like excursion. So yes.
Okay, interesting.
Mhm. Or you,
Uh,
if you get such kind of offer, what would you
I think I'll go for the marriage.
do?
Like,
Okay, means the question was about I had to choose between marriage or for a trip.
hmm,
Okay, if it is kind of my relatives' marriage, so I would also go with the marriage. But if it is like somehow this not that much important, so I can choose any of them, like either marriage or trip, anything. So
makes
I will
sense.
not be specific. Yeah,
Mhm. I like your answer. This was really nice. Yeah, makes sense.
thank you. Thank you.
Okay. What are you watching these days? Are you watching any movies or series?
No, I'm just specific with my goal, so I don't watch any kind of movies nowadays. So I just sometime watch videos on YouTube though. If I it seems like interesting, so that I watch. And apart from that, I don't watch any kind of movies nowadays. Although sometime I watch IPL, just highlight, so
Hmm.
to get the result main result. So that's nowadays I watch, but I don't watch any kind of movies nowadays, and also I don't prefer because I apart from this platform I also use other platforms to improve my English. So yes, and I hardly get enough time to watch any movies.
This is interesting. So, you said like you're very focused for English. So, like, do you read books or do you
Nowadays, yes, yes. Please complete the question.
do you read books or you listen to podcasts? Like, what do you do?
Yes, yes. I listened the podcast. That is, there is a application. Its name is British Council.
Mhm.
I listen to the podcast, and apart from that, I also it was about like watching. I forgot the question of yours. Could you repeat your question?
I was asking you, what are you doing for English these days? That's all I was curious
No,
about. Yeah.
also you like I think it was listening. I listen. There is application. Its name is British Council. I already told you. And also you asked me about reading. I got now. You asked me about reading. Do you read? Yes, I read.
Yeah.
I read a book. Its name is Limitless. So I have just started it,
Mm.
and it has been written by Jim Quick. It seemed interesting to me, and that is why I started reading. I have also read only 10 pages of it, and then I found that really interesting. So yes,
Jim
I think
Quick
you
is,
should go. Yes,
yeah.
yes, Jim Quick. I don't
Jim,
know much, but yeah,
yeah.
please go on first.
No, no, you
Yes,
go on. You were saying
no,
something.
no, no problem. I think you were talking about Jim Quick, so that is why I'm curious to know. Please go on.
I was going to ask you that Jim Quick is YouTuber, right? Like, not a YouTuber, but he was very famous on YouTube. Something related to brain. He used to give like tricks how to memorize things quickly.
I think I have to research about that. I don't know much. But
Okay.
as of now, I have been just reading his book. So yes, that I can say. About brain. Yes, that book is also about brain. He got brain injury in accident. His fire took place. So at that time, means after that he was getting recovery. At that time,
Hmm.
till that I got there, and still it is remaining to read. So, yes.
Interesting. That is interesting.
Hmm. So
Okay.
that's the book I have been reading. Your question was about reading and listening. So I listen podcast, and
Hmm.
apart from that, sometime I also listen on Giggle. There is application. I think you must have heard about it. Giggle, great idea, great life. So I just
Hmm.
read, get summary of a few books. So just those activities I do. Yes,
That's interesting. Would you like to summarize something that you have read recently or listened to?
I read. Means I told you about the book of
Yeah.
Jim Quick. So
Yeah.
yeah, means, as he got brain attack and he was in unconscious. So day by day, like as he went to meet his means his father, one of friend's house. So he met with his friend's father, and his friend's father suggested him to read lots of books, and he got lots of ideas. So on the basis of that, now means I till that I have read, and day by day means how we can be limitless. So all those principles are given, and it is purely based on uh, in his past life. So we can learn so many things on that.
It's
I
it's
think
beautiful.
you can get. Yes, yes, it is really beautiful, and it is uh, means author's past life, how he faced situations. Since we were talking about dilemma. So it is really good book if we really want to get motivation, or means it is about reality, not motivation, but real based situation, how he faced and be a great person. Yes.
Wow. Uh, since we were talking about dilemma, like, what was the biggest dilemma that you have faced till now?
Till now, I can't say dilemma to be honest, but what to say about dilemma. Means sometimes we get normal situation like a problem at our job, like if the task is given and it is like we think like we have not done it before, so it seems like it is hard. But as we indulge ourselves into that activity, so it becomes simple. And currently, if I talk about if I talk more about myself, like I was because of job and all those things like spoken English practice and few other things I have been doing. So I just messed up all those things. Like yeah, because of that I was so means facing problems. So I took one decision which I don't want to disclose on this platform. So now I am just like facing and going ahead and trying to be consistent, and I have been practicing and focused about my goal. So that is what. But I don't think anything is dilemma for me. I am just focused about my goal, and whatever I do, I have faith uh, on myself or in myself. So yes, everything is going okay.
Okay. I hope that it
Mm.
works out really well since you're putting so much
Yes, yes.
effort into it.
Actually, it
And
has been, yes,
yeah,
yes.
it's
It is
working
going
out
well,
well.
and it has been,
Yeah.
yes, it has been working out. Yes,
Okay, nice. I'm so
thanks.
sorry to cut you off, but is it okay if we come to the feedback part? And if we have time, we'll continue talking. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, okay. Yes, yes, you are audible. We can get to the feedback.
Okay. So I had a lot of fun talking to you. Even last time it was
Thank
fun
you.
talking to you. So that
Every
was
time.
great.
Yes, yes, every
The
time.
pace at which you were talking is really nice. It has improved since last time. Now the voice has a lot of genuineness in it. Like it has increased in that way. Good job on that.
Mhm.
uh,
Thank
the
you.
pauses that you used to take have reduced a lot. Like now you literally don't take any pauses. So even that is going on really well. Good job on that also. Coming to your English, you were using very nice words and phrases today. For example, it seems, day by day, purely. Indulge was also very well used. So brownie points for that.
Mhm.
I love the description. You start with a point and then you get into the details of it, and you always keep one mystery thing in that question.
Mhm.
So that is going on really well. I don't have any negatives for you because the English is going on really well. Just one thing, sometimes when you get bored or nervous, you do this. So if possible, don't do that. Yeah,
Going ahead, make sure.
yeah, like that
Oh,
happens.
yeah.
We
Sometimes,
all do
but
it.
yeah,
Yeah,
subconsciously it
mm,
happens.
yeah.
Subconscious.
Sometimes it's not very evident, but just telling you if someday you go for an interview or something like that, you
Yes, yes.
that will be helpful.
Mhm.
So yeah, that is all. If you
Okay.
have any questions, doubts, anything you would like to say, go for it. We have a
No.
lot of time left. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Even I also enjoyed the session. We have been connected for after 4 months. So yes.
Mm.
So means I think a random question would be better. We can talk about also any
Mm.
of the random questions as we
Okay.
also discussed. So how from your end, how the life is going from your end? You can also tell me your
It's
journey because we talked means before Diwali we talked. So
mm,
now means is it going well? Everything is going well, and how you are overcoming with your like anything, whatever the difficulty you face. So it would be good for me. Yes.
yeah, like initially, like after pandemic, I realized it this year that I was going through a lot of emotional things. Like,
Mm.
we go through emotional things. So I started exercising every day. So I go to a park and I go for jogging or like any kind of
Mm.
exercise, and it has helped a lot. Rest all
Mm-hmm. That
everything
is
is going smoothly, like how things are normally. But yeah, this was
good.
a good change, I think.
You
We
also do.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah, I think I wanted to ask one question. You also do yoga or meditation, or just you go for jogging or just walking?
I started meditation like a week back. I never believed in it. I'm like, no, meditation is too much. But it
Yes. Yes.
helps. Yeah. It's good
Yes.
for
Yes.
our
Yes.
health.
Yes.
Yeah. What is your
Mhm.
opinion on meditation? Do you like it? Have you?
Yes, I like, but because of like a few months ago, because of my shift job, I could not do it. But right now, I have also started doing it, and it has really helpful. It has
Mm,
been really helpful.
brownie
Yeah.
points for that. Now you're self-correcting yourself. That's really nice.
Mhm.
Good, good. Okay, I think the time is up, or we can talk for a minute more if you want to, or if you are busy, we can
Yes,
end the
yes.
session. Totally up to you.
I think we have one.
Sorry?
Yeah. We have 1 minute.
Yeah, we
Yes, we
do.
have 1 minute
Okay, so
left.
we can.
Yes.
Which IPL
Yes.
team do you support, if I may ask?
I randomly watch. I don't follow any this particular team, but I
Hmm.
randomly watch because
Uh,
nowadays I don't have that much time. So that is why that I just watch a highlight match. Highlight match next day. Suppose
hmm.
today is Mumbai Indian and Sunrise Hyderabad. So its highlight will be conducted tomorrow on Geo Cinema. So just randomly I just watch to get the result, and it is hardly takes 20 minutes to complete. So that is why miss. Yeah, to
Oh,
save my
okay.
time.
Nice. I get all the news
Mm.
from Instagram, so even I haven't watched it in a while.
Yeah,
Finals are the best, like finals,
yeah,
semi-finals. So that time people watch.
semi final, yes. Four
Yeah.
matches are very important.
Have you seen
Yeah.
any IPL match in the stadium?
Uh, no, not really.
Mm.
Yes,
Even I
I know.
haven't. Yeah.
Mhm. But I didn't get the chance. But let's see if I get chance. Definitely, I will go.
Hmm. Makes sense.
Mm.
And it's
Mm.
a little far also from the city area. Usually the stadiums are far away, so makes sense.
If I Yes, if I talk about myself, it hardly takes. It is around 12 to 15 kilometer away from my home in Ahmedabad, Narendra Modi
Okay.
Cricket Stadium. So
Okay.
where I can easily go, but because I could not get that chance gathering with friends and going alone, I can't go. I will be bored. So that is why.
Yeah, makes sense. Let's hope. I think the finals are in Narendra Modi Stadium this time, right? IPL finals.
I have to check it. Sorry, I have not. I don't know really.
I don't know.
Sorry.
Even I just heard, I think. So not sure.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Mm.
So yeah. It was
Okay.
lovely talking to you. I hope to see you around.